am not, only Barbara Parker. My father is still on the deed, but he, however, has been deceased for approximately 16 years.
We have this problem, and you might be able to reach an agreement whereby the plaintiff would file a conditional order of dismissal. Mr. John Parker, it says Barbara Parker, John Parker, FBO of Barbara Parker. What does that mean?
For the behalf of, I am now the conservator and guardian for Barbara Parker, my mother.
All right, are you an owner of the property?
No, I am not, only Barbara Parker. My father is still on the deed, but he, however, has been deceased for approximately 16 years.
We had this problem earlier today. She needs a lawyer. You're not an attorney. You're here representing the interest of your mother. And in order to do that, you need to be an attorney. So we're gonna have to finagle that. So who all is living in this house?
It has just been me and my girlfriend, Tommy Tullis. My girlfriend has been kind enough to stay here with me to help me out with the dogs, keep them fed, taken care of while I go work.
All right, well, there's no lease. And who is Barbara Parker to you?
That would be my great grandmother. And I have been approximately living in this house, helping her out, helping her keep the house clean, the dogs, whatnot, taking care of myself for the last 3 years, 3 or 4.
Is she still there?
No, she is with her brother, Robert Radley, over in just outside Coldwater or Bronson.
Well, they want you to move. You don't own the house, you don't have a lease, you don't pay any rent.
Barbara herself has stated multiple times, even while I spoke to her while she was in Bronson Hospital after her initial attack right before the 4th of July, that she will never kick us out.
That is not a true statement, Your Honor.
All right, well, she's not kicking you out, the trust is. So you're living in her house, they're paying your freight, they're paying the rent, they're paying the taxes, they want you to move. Now, problem is John Parker can't do it. He's not a lawyer, and this is the second one of these we've had today. We should have probably cut these off at the front end. Mr. Parker, you need to hire a lawyer to assist you with this because you're not authorized to do what you're doing. So I'm going to continue.
I'm sorry. I spoke with a lawyer just prior to this meeting. She was going out of country, Miss Catherine Yancey. She's been my attorney for both the guardianship and the conservator. And also, Your Honor, not only that he's not saying he hasn't been helping her do anything. He's living there rent-free, grocery-free with all these other occupants have been there for a lot of time.
All right. I get it.
And he's been stealing money from her.
All right, this happens all the time. I said this earlier. I get 20 of these a year, maybe more, where an elderly person has got someone living there. Mr. Kelly, my suggestion is you start to find a place to move to. You're actually talking about Christine Yancey, who is a very knowledgeable landlord-tenant attorney, and I think she's taken a trip. So yes. I'm going to adjourn this. You need
Your Honor, can I have a chance to kind of set some records straight?
You will when we get to a contested hearing. But right now, the property is not, it's in the property of the trust. There's a guardian who's acting on.
And how you acted here in court and once you got to jail that day that's just a very immature way of handling things. And it also, of course, gives me a lot of concern on whether or not I should give you a probation. So I'm glad to hear that. Anything, Mr. Smith, before I sentence?
Judge.
All right, then, Mr. Rayleigh, I'm going to give you this opportunity today. I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. And this is cause number 25 DCCR 1482. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings and place you on probation. About, remind me, Brandon Louie? It was Mr. Smith? Okay. Okay. See, this is Mr. Nichols on Corbin Rayleigh. Good morning.
Good morning.
You're Corbin Rayleigh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rayleigh was previously in court in cause number 25 DCCR 1482, entered a plea of guilty to the state jail felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity, I've received the pre-sentence report. Have you both had an opportunity to review that report?
We have, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Any additions or corrections?
No, Your Honor, not from this one. Comments?
Go ahead.
Just that I want to tell the court that this is a completely different young man than I saw in court previously and at my office or over the phone. He's polite. He understands the proceedings that are going on. He understands that, I think the comments that he made to the probation department were before or immediately after going to jail. He understands now that what he did is a felony. He accepts responsibility for it. In talking with him this morning, he's like I said, he's a completely changed individual. I think he's going to do well on probation if he can keep this up.
That's good to hear, Mr. Rayleigh. You're very young, and the episode, you're ordered to pay a $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. That is going to include entering and successfully completing the JCDI program, which is an outpatient treatment program to make sure you are clean and have all the tools to stay clean, as well as any type of recommended treatment for any mental health issues that might be going on as well. Okay, so you're required to do those things, whether you feel like you need them or not. It's all just so that I want you to be successful and this to be a turning point. You change your life. Okay. This is a great opportunity. You're young. You don't have a felony conviction on your record. And if you successfully complete this probation, at the end, the case is dismissed. You'll never have a felony conviction. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you don't follow through with treatment, you test positive for drugs, you don't go to appointments, whatever it is, you're going to be back in here. You could be convicted of the offense. So you'd be a convicted felon and go to the state jail prison for between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed. And so you've waived your right to appeal. You'll get out today. Probation will talk to you before you leave the courtroom. But the first thing you do is make sure you follow their instructions, go straight to probation, get everything started and do well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good.
Good luck to you. Thank you, Mr. Rojas. Ms. Holmes, you've got Frederick, wait, let's do, Martin Fonseca Cardenas.
Yes.
Good morning. You are Eric Gibson,
Yes, ma'am.
and Mr. Gibson has 4 cases set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, we're ready, except we did get new discovery on Friday. I got over 80 pages of medical records, and I'm definitely not through those yet. I mean, I might can be by the end of the week, or I will be if I have to be.
Okay,
But
Mr. Smith,
State's ready.
are those things that you just received, or why was
We had-
it so late?
We had issued a subpoena ducis tecum to the hospital. It's same records or whatever, and for whatever reason, they weren't delivered the last time we sent subpoenas out. They were delivered this time.
All right, well, since you got them, I mean, it was over a week and a half out, so I'm gonna number the case.
Okay.
Has there been any change as far as negotiations or anything like that I need to take into consideration?
Okay.
no, Your
All
Honor.
right, so I'll number the cases this afternoon, today after docket. You
Okay.
guys will know the trial order this afternoon.
Okay,
All
thank
right,
you.
we'll see you next week.